Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today with 3 more trades. Today's date is June the 8th. Trading today on this first pair, which is the pound yen here, I traded a great way to trade using the gold line and the awesome oscillator. So let's see what happened here. Let's just drag and drop this up. I got in here when I saw this double doji right here, and I knew that it was going to go down. It sure took some time, but sometimes you have to wait until the trade works out. So I got in at this trade at about 12 minutes to 8 this morning, and I just decided to close it out here. Looks like with 17 pips. And those 17 pips on the pound yen paid $2,100. I really like trading with my magic trigger along using a great way to trade. It has a very high success rate as long as you follow the rules. Okay, let's go to the next pair here, the Euro Aussie. All you got to do is click and drag it up and drop it. It will change the pair. Now, this was not a great way to trade, but I knew, as everything was indicating, that it's going to continue to go up. Closed it out a little bit on the early side, but I was happy with the pip totals and, of course, the money totals. Let's see. I got in this trade about 9 a.m. this morning, and I closed it out here. It looks like with 24 pips, and 24 pips on the Euro Aussie paid $2,196. Now I should have bought it a little bit, a couple of candles before, as everything down at the bottom was telling me that it should go up. Remember, there's no guarantees. Anything can happen, but all you can do is trade with what your system is telling you to trade. And of course, once you're in the trade, you have to manage the trade. Okay, let's move on to the third trade that I put in. It was the pound Swiss. I got into this trade at 7:44. As you can see the time here, I sold it. Pound Swiss, let's run a check on it. Now it looks like I took trades at different times. 2 of them were about 7:45 this morning, and this Euro Aussie was about 9 o'clock. So on this pound Swiss, as you can see up here, I took the trade here as soon as I saw this red candle indicating that it's gonna hook around and go back down. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here. Looks like with 27 pips, and those 27 pips on the pound Swiss paid $3,744. So pip total, it came to 68 pips, and those 68 pips paid $8,041. So it definitely looks like I'm off to a great start this week on this Monday, June the 8th. And if your system is not producing as great as my magic trigger, I suggest you get your hands on it. And to do so, all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see this write up. It's a magic trigger system I do charge $250 for. Have a limited time special offer, and that if you buy the magic trigger system for $250 and for $50 more, I'll throw in the golden trigger system and the pip trigger system. So everything will be 3 times the amount as you see on this one page. Now my magic trigger system has 3.5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 4 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. It also comes with a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents that'll help your training and education, and to help you to become successful at trading the markets. Can be any markets, either Forex or futures or even options. As long as it's your platform has it, and you attach the candlesticks to it, the magic trigger can trade it. So now there's a lot of ways to trade, so I teach a lot of ways to trade. That's why there's 36 training videos along with 9 bonus videos. Now the way I really like to trade the most is a great way to trade, and this is a perfect example. And as long as you follow the instructions within the training videos, it'll get you up and running, trading successfully as quickly as possible, getting those pips and of course money. Looks like it's continuing working its way down, but any day that I can get 50 pips, I call that a good day. At least it's good enough for me. So let's see now. In each and every one of the videos, I give a lot of trading tips. I teach how to back test the magic trigger, how to scalp the market, how to scan the market, teach how to trade all 3 sessions, including this London close, which will happen probably in about another 40 minutes now. I'm not sure if I'll trade anymore, as I am basically happy with the results, but if I do, it'll be just to show you that you can trade the London session. Now also teach how to trade pullbacks. Now that's where the price comes back to the moving averages. I prefer to the goal line, but I teach how you can line the charts up properly so that it comes very close, if not touches the goal line. And also teach how to trade the channel. In other words, buy low and sell high. I also teach how to trade the goal line, as there is always a lot of action around the goal line. But you got to know which way to go, and the indicators down here at the bottom will point you in the right direction. I also teach how to trade the news. This is the most difficult way. I recommend starting with a great way to trade, and after you become very good at trading and you understand how the market flows, then you can give a go and try trading the news. And also teach how to trade with a day job. That applies mostly to people that live in North America. So if you have any questions at all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me here, and if you live too far, you can just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here, Forex underscore. Now here's my Skype ID. Now I do prefer Skype contacts. It made it easy for you. Just have to click on this link right here, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session and answer your questions. Probably lasts about 45 minutes. And if nothing else, you'll learn some new tips and tricks. Of course, that will remain free, no obligation. Over the past 10 years or so, I've been building systems, and I've been getting better and better at it. There's 26 of them, and if you want to see screenshots of them, all you got to do is click on this link. And of course, about 5 months ago, when I came up with my best 2 trigger systems, I made this review. Just have to click on this link, and after I merged them together and came up with the magic trigger, I did a review on that one. You just have to click on this link. So I do believe that just about wraps up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, happy trading. And don't forget to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.